Independent dry cleaning business, Rockhampton, Queensland. On offer is the largest privately owned dry cleaner in central Queensland, with the choice of leasehold or freehold. Ideal Dry Cleaners Rockhampton is a family-run business handed down through the generations for over 60 years. The business has built up a broad range of long-term loyal clients, including the public, corporate, and commercial customers. The purpose-built premises has a convenient drive-through drop-off and pick-up zone and state-of-the-art equipment. The building offers a prominent Main Street corner location on the fringe of the CBD. The business has 15 dry cleaning agents throughout Rockhampton, Gladstone, Biloela, Emerald, Yeppoon, and Middle Mount. The company offers a pick-up and drop-off service, with a Fiat Ducato and Fiat Doblo as part of this package. Other services include green dry cleaning, shirt laundering, wedding and formal attire, uniforms, workwear, clothing repairs, and alterations. Currently trading 5.5 days a week with 10 casual staff in place, the sale also includes all assets. The buyer has the option to also purchase the freehold building, either at the same time or in a couple of years.